Hi, this is Nill with Nill Building Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to attach an emergency exit. They had 2 inches of styrofoam on the wall we need to attach to the structure, but they're not going to be able to attach back here because of the stucco. We're going to bring the attachment out beyond the stucco and still be attached at the structure. How we achieve that is our MB1D is going to be installed to the structure. Then our MB3 TBD is going to project out whatever distance we require. So this will go in, adjust this to perfect, and they will attach their railing right up against it perfectly across the building. They'll attach to this and then they'll bolt it on.